There's more. Look at that.
More in there.
Oh my goodness, the tree's
Took
going
the
down.
tree down.
Tree's going down.
That was awesome.
Did you see it? It took the whole
I got
tree
the video
down.
on that. That was cool.
Look at those tusks.
Let's see. That one
Wow.
destroyed the tree.
Right, that's a big dude.
Look at that. Oh my. There's a hole in his head, huh? Is that bleeding?
No, that's Oh, go ahead.
It's
Glands.
weeping.
There's a butt shot.
Look at him standing like that.
One leg in
Why is he standing on one leg?
He's resting it, he says.
He's resting.
there.
And she'll take her back foot and scratch the other foot,
That's funny.
especially when she's
Well, I guess
she's
if we
wet,
weighed that
she
much,
gets very
her feet
itchy.
would hurt
Oh,
too.
after she
I'm
goes
with
swimming,
you.
she's very itchy.
It was so funny to see that tree fall down.
Look at
Those,
those,
look at those legs. Look at her foot like that.
Just more terraforming, right?
Is it a boy?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I can't tell.
Leg check.
Leg check.
I can't.
Zoom lens.
They have such funny looking situations. It's hard to see. Look at that.
I think it's a big mama.
Big mama,
That's a big elephant.
Right?
They're both very tall,
I
aren't they?
couldn't believe how big they were.
Well, it was just so funny to see that back.
Hello. Hi. He's got a hole in his ear though.
He's a punk.
Got an ear piercing.
Yeah, it's one of those.
Well,
Cage
Now,
ones.
come on, come back here. Face us.
He did not like us coming closer. Stay right where we are.
Well, I didn't ask him.
They do that. They get that when they get excited too. Like sounds like when Doc goes out of town and comes back, Bubbles is dripping from like all different spots. You know, from the production of that hormone. Yeah, they. It's like dripping all over.
He's a pretty big dude.
So you don't get to see a lot of
That was awesome.
Appreciate that, bud.
What you looking at?
Remember the one that came in front
Yes.
of Fritz's? Right to the grill
Yeah.
and was looking down.
That's a good
That
grill.
was scary.
That was crazy.
Oh my God, that was scary.
That's cool. He's
He's
watching
watching
us.
us.
Their ears are so big they roll over on the top.
They all do that now.
Yeah.
So are those boys or girls, Benz?
They're both males.
Both boys.
See, the males normally they don't stay with the females. They just go and join them during the breeding season. And then the young females and the other females, they will stay together the whole of their lives. But the young males, they can stay in the group up to 12 to 14 years.
Oh.
So once they're 14 years of age, and then the female.
Some branches.
Am I like in that, Dad? Can you get one of me?
More branches.
can get you.
But you can see that land even on the young elephants here.
Yeah, it was a boy.
Hello.
Oh, lovely.
Action
I
shot.
wonder how big his butthole is.
Action
Oh,
shot.
just for like a second, like you could stick your whole head in there. Like
He's peeing out here. That's great.
they always
Action
go like
shot.
the same time. He's like, this is